Hi friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, guessing meaning of words in context. Let's get into the session. And here I have given you few tips how to guess the meaning of words in the given context. The first thing, check the word itself for affixes. We are learned about prefix and suffix. So when we feel unfamiliar with few words, first we have to check it with whether it have added prefix or suffix, and we have to identify the root word. If we identify the root word, we can easily guess the meaning of the particular words. So check the word itself for affixes. And the second one is, check the sentence and the grammar around the word. We all learn about parts of speech. We know we have totally 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, pronoun, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection. So when we feel unfamiliar with the word, we have to identify whether the word comes under any category of parts of speech. So the second thing is, check the sentence and the grammar around the word. And the third tips is, think about the overall meaning of the word in relation to the paragraph and text. Check the overall meaning of the word in relation to the paragraph and text, the given context. Because words are empty container, we have to fill it with meanings. According to the situation, the meaning of the particular word will change. So we have to think about the overall meaning of the word in relation to the paragraph and text. It will give some clear-cut idea to guess the meaning of the particular word. And finally, check a dictionary where you close. After taking all efforts, if you may not find the exact meaning of the particular word, you can refer to the dictionary to get the exact meaning of the particular word. So in learning a new words, dictionary is the only source to learn more vocabulary skills, and it plays a vital role in building our vocabulary skills. So when you find it difficult in guessing the meaning of particular word in a context, refer to a dictionary. And here I have given you 2 exercises. The first one is, guess the meaning of cognitive. And here I have given you few answers related to physical skills, related to special abilities, related to mental processes. If you may not find the meaning of the particular word, just refer to the dictionary to find the meaning. And the second one is, guess the meaning of aptitude. And here I have given you few options: skill or ability, history, willingness to do something. We all know aptitude in the sense skill or ability. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.